Select the operation mode and enter the password. Select welding and start welding. You can see that the weld presented is very beautiful. Modify the operation mode, enter the password, and select cutting. Change the gun nozzle, select cut the copper nozzle. Start cutting. The modification mode of the same step is cleaning. Unscrew the screw and remove the gun head of the wire feeder. Install the screw, then replace the gun nozzle, and choose clean the lens barrel. Next, replace and clean the focusing lens. When replacing, the replaced focusing lens needs to be wrapped with adhesive tape. Prevent dust. Remove the screws for replacement, and the installation is complete. Start cleaning, raise it to find a suitable height. You need to press the button twice to start. The cleaning effect is obvious.